The Department of Agriculture confirms the detection
of H5N6, highly pathogenic avian influenza in Barangay Ulanin Pitak, Jaén, Nueva, Ecija. The Provincial Veterinary Office of Nueva Ecija received reports of increased mortalities of 1,500 out of 15,000 quails in one farm last March 9, 2019. Immediate disease investigation was conducted by PBO, this is the Provincial Veterinary Office, in coordination with DA Regional Field Office 3 and Jaén Municipal Agriculture Office. On March 13, 30 live quails were submitted by PBO to Regional Animal Disease Diagnostic Laboratory for testing of avian influenza. The samples were tested positive for viral RNA influenza A through real-time polymerase chain reaction. The same samples were sent to BAI Animal Disease Diagnostic and Reference Laboratory for further confirmation and subtyping. These samples yielded positive for H5 and N6 through real-time polymerase chain reaction test. The PPO, along with the Jaén Municipal Agricultural Office or Officer, DA Regional Field Office 3, and Veterinary Quarantine Service, conducted immediate disease control measures to mitigate the spread of H5N6 HPAI. The DA and LGU officials are currently conducting disease investigation and contact tracing to determine the source of infection. Following the Asian Influenza Protection Program Manual of Procedures, a total of 12,000 heads were surgically stamped out and buried last March 14, 2020. Cleaning and disinfection were implemented accordingly. Surveillance around the 1 kilometer and 7 kilometer radius will be carried out immediately to ensure that the disease has not progressed around the said parameter. Animal quarantine checkpoints have also been established to restrict the movement on all live domestic birds to and from the 1 kilometer radius quarantine area. Meanwhile, day-old chicks, hatching eggs, and poultry meat will be allowed, provided that the source farms will be tested negative from avian influenza. The Municipal Mayor of Jaén, Nueva Ecija, and Provincial Governor of Nueva Ecija were notified on the present situation on March 14, 2020, and advised to implement the necessary disease control measures. The highly pathogenic avian influenza is a disease of poultry that can affect humans. However, the H5N6 HPAI, which affected the Philippines in Pampanga, like San Luis and Nueva Ecija, Jaén, San Isidro, and Kabayong, has not affected humans in the country.
globally. There have been only few cases of human infections, and all of these were reported in China. The DA encourages the poultry stakeholders to report any unusual poultry mortalities to its municipal or city or provincial veterinary